Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learning Steps. So today our topic name is Gangavatai. It is in the Siri Kannada textbook class 6. Here in this video I am going to explain this poem Gangavatai in English. Then it will be easy for all of you to understand the poem. So let's start the topic. Kavi Parichaya. So Kavi means poet, Parichaya means about. So let's discuss about the poet. Kaviya Hesaru. Kaviya means poet, Hesaru means name. So name of the poet is Dr. Siddhalinga Pattana Setti. Janana. Janana means date. 3rd 11 1939. Sthala. Sthala means birthplace of poet. Dharwada ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಯಾದವಾಡ. Krutigalu. Krutigalu means his works. Means the poet Dr. Siddhalinga's other works. That was Aurangzeba, Mava and Rangayana. Next one, Kavana Sankalana. Kavana means a poetry. Sankalana means collection. So it is Ninna Marayu Mattu. Next one, Padagala Artha. Padagala means word, Artha means meaning. So let's see the word meanings. First word is Dustara. Dustara means Kathina. In English, the meaning is hard. Next word, Nava. Nava means Akasa or Ambara. In English, the meaning is sky. Next word, Kole. Kole means Kalmasa. In English, the meaning is dirt. Next word, Maya. Maya means Mareyagu. It means disappear. Next word, Tunuku. Tunuku means Tundu or Churu. In English, the meaning is fragment. ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ. ಒಂದು means one, ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ means sentence and ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ means answer. So, we have to write the answer in one sentence. First question is, ನೀರು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ಕವಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀರು means the water, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ means where, ತುಂಬಬೇಕು means filled, ಎಂದು means that, ಕವಿ means the poet, ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾರೆ means saying. So, what the poet is saying, where does the water should be filled? So, the answer is ನೀರು. ನೀರು means the water. ನೆಲದ ಕಣಕಣದಾಗ. ನೆಲದ ಕಣದಾಗ means every particle of the land. Nelada means land. Kana kanadaga means every particle. Manada. Manada means mind. Pada padaraga. Pada padaraga means every stage of the mind. Tumbaveku. Tumbaveku means filled. Endu means that. Kavi heluttare. Poet is saying. So the poet is saying that water should fill in every particle of land and every stages of the mind. Next question. ನೀರು ಹೇಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹರಿದು ಬರಬೇಕೆಂದು ಕವಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನೀರು means the water, ಹೇಗೆಲ್ಲ means how, ಹರಿದು ಬರಬೇಕೆಂದು means flow, ಕವಿ means the poet, ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ means he is requesting. How did the poet request that the water should flow? The answer is ನೀರು ನಗುನಗುತ್ತಾ ನಲಿಯುತ್ತಾ ಚಿಮ್ಮುತ್ತಾ ಕುಣಿಯುತ್ತಾ ಜಿಗಿಯುತ್ತಾ ಧೋ ಎನ್ನುತ್ತಾ ಹರಿದು ಬರಬೇಕೆಂದು ಕವಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. It means ನೀರು means the water, ನಗುನಗುತ್ತಾ ನಗುನಗುತ್ತಾ means smiling, ನಲಿಯುತ್ತಾ means laughing, ಚಿಮ್ಮುತ್ತಾ means splashing, ಕುಣಿಯುತ್ತಾ means dancing, ಜಿಗಿಯುತ್ತಾ means jumping, ಧೋ ಎನ್ನುತ್ತಾ ಧೋ means making the sound ಧೋ. ಹರಿದು ಬರಬೇಕೆಂದು means it is flowing by making all the sound. ಕವಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ means requesting. The poet has requested that the water should flow like smiling, laughing, splashing, dancing, jumping and saying do or making the sound do. Next question. ಒಣಗಿದ ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಣಗಿದ means dry, ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ means land. So dry land, ನೀರು means the water, ಹೇಗೆ means how, ಹೊಳೆಯಬೇಕು means shine, ಎಂದು means that, ಕವಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾರೆ means the poet is saying. So how does the water should be shine on dry ground that the poet is saying? Answer is ಒಣಗಿದ ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ, in the dry land, ನೀರು means the water, ಹಸಿರಾಗಿ ಹೊಳೆಯಬೇಕು means It makes the dry land green. ಎಂದು means that ಕವಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಕವಿ is saying. Next question. ಗಂಗವ್ವ ತಾಯಿ ಕವನವನ್ನು ಬರೆದವರು ಯಾರು? ಗಂಗವ್ವ ತಾಯಿ ಕವನವನ್ನು means in the poem ಗಂಗವ್ವ ತಾಯಿ ಬರೆದವರು means written ಯಾರು means whom. So ಗಂಗವ್ವ ತಾಯಿ poem is written by whom. So it is asking about the poet name. So the answer is ಗಂಗವ್ವ ತಾಯಿ ಕವನವನ್ನು ಬರೆದವರು Dr. ಸಿದ್ಧಲಿಂಗ ಪಟ್ಟಣಶೆಟ್ಟಿ. Means the ಗಂಗವ್ವ ತಾಯಿ poem is written by the poet Dr. ಸಿದ್ಧಲಿಂಗ ಪಟ್ಟಣಶೆಟ್ಟಿ. So let's go to the next question. ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಸ್ಥಳ ತುಂಬಿ. ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಸ್ಥಳ ತುಂಬಿ means fill in the blanks. The first one is ವಾರವ ತಾಯಿ dash ತಾಯಿ. In place of dash we have to write ಗಂಗವ್ವ ತಾಯಿ. That means come Mother Ganga. Gangava means Mother Ganga. Next one. Holesava ತಾಯಿ dash ತಾಯಿ. Holesava ತಾಯಿ means Mother of Holy Spirit. Nirava ತಾಯಿ. Nirava means water. ತಾಯಿ means mother. So mother of water. Next one. ಮೈ ಮಾನಸ ಹೊಲಸಿಲ್ಲ dash ತಾಯಿ. ಮೈ means body. Manasa means mind. Holosela means dirt. Tolayava means clean or wash. Tai means mother. Hey Mother Ganga, wash our body and mind dirt. Next one. Nirava Gangava dash barab. In place of dash we have to write Maliyagi. Maliyagi means rain. So Nirava Gangava means hey Mother Ganga or water of Ganga, come to us as rain. Next one. Onagida Neladaga. Onagida means dry. Neladaga means land. Hasuragi. Hasuragi means green. So the dry land will be green if Mother Ganga will come to us. Next one. ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ the following questions 2-3 ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ 2 to 3 sentence ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ means answer. So write the answer in 2 to 3 lines for the following questions. The first one is ಗಂಗವ್ವ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಆಗುವುದೆಂದು ಕವಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Means where and what does happen if Ganga is there, that the poet is saying. The answer is ಗಂಗವ್ವ ಇದ್ದರೆ when the Ganga river is here. ಜಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ನವದಲ್ಲಿ. ಜಗದಲ್ಲಿ means in the whole world. ಮತ್ತು means and. ನವದಲ್ಲಿ means whole sky. ಹೊಳಪು ತುಂಬಿರುತ್ತದೆ means it will shine everywhere when river Ganga will be with us. ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ಇಡೀ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ means the whole creation ಕುಂತಿಯುತವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದು ಕವಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Means the poet is saying that the whole creation will become radiant when the Ganga river is with us. So ಗಂಗವ್ವ ಇದ್ದರೆ means if Ganga is there, ಜಗದಲ್ಲಿ means the whole world ಮತ್ತು and ನವದಲ್ಲಿ means the sky. ಹೊಳಪು ತುಂಬಿರುತ್ತದೆ means there will be light in the whole world and in the sky. Next, ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ಇದ್ದ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ means the entire creation ಕಾಂತೆಯುತವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ means it will become radiant ಎಂದು means that ಕವಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The poet is saying through this the entire creation becomes radiant. Next one. ನೀರು means the water ಯಾವ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ means for what work ಬೇಕು needed ಎಂದು ಕವಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So the poet is asking for what we need water for us. So the answer is ಕವಿಯ ಪ್ರಕಾರ means according to the poet. ಒಣಗಿದ ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಣಗಿದ means the dry land. ಹಸಿರನ್ನು ನೆದಲು means to make the dry land green we need water. And ಜೀವಿಗಳು ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಲು. ಜೀವಿಗಳು means the living beings. ಉಸಿರನ್ನು means breathing. ಉಳಿಸಲು means save. To save the breathing of living beings also we need water. ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ means whole world. ಕೊಳೆಯನ್ನು means wash. ತೊಳೆಯಲು means dirt. To wash the dirt of the whole world. ಮನುಷ್ಯನ means all the people. ಮೈ means body. ಮನಸ means mind. ಹೊಳಸನ್ನು ಶುದ್ಧೀಕರಿಸಲು. ಹೊಳಸನ್ನು means the dirt. ಶುದ್ಧೀಕರಿಸಲು means to purify. To purify the body and mind of the people also we need water ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Means the poet is saying we need water to make the dry land green, to save the breath of the living beings. Then also he is saying water is needed to wash away the dirt of the world and to purify the body and mind of the people who are staying in this world. Next one, ಸಂದರ್ಭ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. Give the context. ಹುರಿಯುತ್ತ ಸುರಿಯುತ್ತ ಡೋಡೋ ಬಾರವ್ವ means flowing and pouring, the water is flowing. This padya name is Gangava Tai. ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಕವಿ ಓದುಗರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓದುಗರಿಗೆ means to the reader. This sentence is saying by the poet to the readers. ಸಂದರ್ಭ. For in which background the poet is saying the above sentence? Answer is ಮಳೆಯು ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಬರುವ ಸಂಭ್ರಮವನ್ನು ವರ್ಣಿಸುವ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕವಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So the poet is saying while describing the rain that falls on the earth. ಜೀವದ ತುಣುಕಾದಿ ಮೈ ಮಾನಸ ಹೊಳಸೆಲ್ಲ means part of life, dirt of body and mind. So this padya name is Gangava Tai. ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಕವಿ ಉಡುಗರಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ means the poet told this to the reader. ಸಂದರ್ಭ in which background he told ನೀರು ಕೇವಲ ಮೈಹಿಕ ಕೊಳೆಯನ್ನು ತೊಳೆಯದೆ ದೇಹ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾನಸನ್ನು ಶುದ್ಧೀಕರಿಸಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠುವ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕವಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Means the poet said while praying that water should not only wash away physical dirt but also purify the body and mind of us. So this is all about the question and answer of this poem Gangava Tai. I hope you understood the chapter. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.